JTA, Josh with Tech Addiction, and today I have my Apple Watch, and we're gonna go with our weekly roundup of my top 5 apps. So starting off, you can already see it. Here we go. I have the Citymapper app, and what I love about this app is not only does it has a beautiful user interface, and if you click here, it's gonna show the transit advisory, but let's go to the bus here, let that load up. It needs to focus. There you have it. It will show some nearby buses and the time when it's coming. Now if we switch over and we go to our glances, all we have to do is swipe up and swipe over to it. And now it shows all the disrupted subway lines. So this app is pretty nifty. It saves you time from pulling your phone out. The thing is, you have to remember to use your watch over your phone, because you have to retrain your brain to check here, because it's a lot quicker. Now you click on that, it launches you straight into the app. That was pretty quick, right? Because the app was already loaded up. So the more often you use this app, the quicker it is. Okay. Now looking at app number 2, we have TMZ. So TMZ, as you see, I swiped up and pulled up the glances. Now I don't know about the new watchOS 3 if glances will take this away or not, but see Justin Bieber, I got a new type, not sure what they mean. Let's click on it and it launches us straight into the TMZ app. TMZ app is fairly quick. Once it loads up, you'll have several different news stories. Swipe up, read some of the content. I'm glad it actually gives you a lot more than some of the other apps information. Swipe over and it gives you a good amount of stories as well that you can just glance at, read it, and you can really get the highlights of what's going on in minutes and then exit out. Not everybody wants to tune into the show at the time, or you just want to stay up to date with what's going on, but you don't want to go and have to watch a full video on TMZ's website. They have this mobile app here for you, so that's really nice. Okay, my next favorite app here is Transit. So let's go ahead and click on that. Wow, as you can see, this thing load up super quick. It's probably because I use it a lot and I have it set in one of my widgets. That's another thing with this app. You can put it in your complications. It doesn't have a glances view, but hey, this is enough right here to quickly get the times for the nearest transit and bus and subway routes near you. So Transit is just one of my favorite apps, and you should check it out in the App Store today. Next app on the list is Widgets. So with Widgets, it's pretty simple. It gives you basic features, but it works. So you have your calculator. You can do a little bit of some math here. Let's clear this out. So you force touch here, and you get to choose what you're trying to do. But what I want to do is, how do I clear this thing again? I don't remember. Let's see. So that doesn't clear it, but I'm wondering if, oh, okay, so that clears it. Hitting this back red key here. So we'll do 7 times 7. So those who are still in school, you see it adds everything up over here. This is a pretty cool thing to have on your watch, and this is all within the Widgets app, so no need to download a third-party calculator app. Also, Widgets does some other things on your smartphone, but I'm just showing the Apple Watch version of it. We have currency, of course, which you got to configure some of the currencies that you want to transfer and stuff like that, either it be euro or the dollar bill from your phone, and then you'll be able to use this. And the top feature that I love is the iPhone stats. So say I don't have my iPhone, but I want to keep, checking the charge of it. You can check the charge. You can check your network to see how much data is uploading and downloading, and then you know how much free space you have on your phone. Now you say, who would want to know this? You can just look maybe at your phone. The thing is, some people connect their phones to their television and they use it, meaning using the lightning to HDMI. Now that's the fastest, most clearest way you can get HD content straight to your TV is through the cable. Apple TV is really good, but unless you have a super fast internet connection, it's not really worth it. But Widgets will show you the battery percentage and everything you need to know about your iPhone. And last but not least, we have this app, which is Watchnotes. So anything that you take notes of and you put into your iPhone, you can sync it with this app and it'll show up here. So like some people, they might have like some things for a test. They want to jot them down, put the text in here, and it'll show up. Sadly, the only thing that Watchnotes won't record is drawings and images. So any other notes and text, you can put it right in here and it'll show up on your phone. And you will have to pay in-app purchase to get more info to show up here, but it's well worth it. And I'm not trying to say use this for cheating, you guys, on tests, but whatever you may need to use it for. Maybe you're in a business meeting or a conference or whatever, and you would like to know everybody's name. You can put that in here so you don't look, you look like you're well informed. So here you have the calendar, and it'll show if you have any events and stuff like that. But basically, you can just check your watch face for those type of information.